My mommy told me something a little kid should know. And it's all about the devil, and I learned to hate him more. He says he causes trouble if you let him in your room, and he'll never ever leave if your heart is filled with glue. Shine,
Let the sun shine in,
face it with a
face it with
grin.
the grin.
Smilers never
Smiling
lose, and frowners never win. So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Open up your heart and let the sun shine in. When I forget to say my prayers, the devil jumps with glee. But he feels so awful when he sees me on my knees. And so I pray to Jesus, keep my heart from sins. I just opened up your heart and let the sun shine in. To let the sun shine in, face you with a grin. Smilers never lose, and flowers never win. So let the sun shine in, face you with a grin. Open up your heart and let the sun shine.